What's going on, everyone? In this video we're going to be talking about our tug system and all the available options to go with it. So it's all going to start with the tug shaft. This is the vehicle specific part. We have fitments for the front and rear of over 100 different vehicles. But once you have this picked out for your specific vehicle, any of this stuff will just simply mount to this, and you can change them out down the road if you decide to do that. So these are machined from steel, and then they get nickel plated so they won't rust, and then after that they get powder coated black for a nice finish. First up, we have our tow hook. These are available in black, red, and gray. They're good for pulling 8,000 pounds in a straight line, and they're fully adjustable. You can articulate this however you want. The next option is our tug strap. These are a different look than the tug ring, but they also pull less with a pulling capacity of 4,500 pounds in a straight line. These are available in black and red. Another great option if you live in a state that needs a front plate is our front plate mount. So this simply screws into the shaft, and it's fully adjustable, and instead of drilling holes into your front bumper, you can just mount your plate onto this for a cleaner look. And last, we have our GoPro attachments. So whether you have the tug ring, the tug plate, or just a shaft, we have a GoPro mount for all three of those. For the GoPro mount on a tug ring, simply just slips over the adapter, and it's held in by one screw, and then you can simply attach your GoPro. If you have the tug plate, the GoPro mount simply screws into the top screws here, and then you could go ahead and attach your GoPro onto that. Or if you just want a GoPro mount and nothing more, you can simply get the tugless view, which screws right into the front of a tug shaft, and then you could have a GoPro on the front or the rear of your vehicle. Any of these options are a great addition to the front or rear of your vehicle, so hopefully this video helps you decide which is best for yours. Thanks for watching.